YouTube, good morning. Today, my buddy Kashi, who's getting the GT3 ready, and I are going to be heading to an importer, Shogun Motorsports or something like that. They're a local importer, and we're going to be checking out an R32 Skyline. They're going to have a bunch of S15s coming in the next like 2 months, and yeah, just want to find out their process, see what their inventory's like, suss them out, because some of these car guys, Kashi, have been
super shady.
Shady. So my man is gonna wipe down the GT3. We're gonna take this one. He can't go anywhere unless it's clean.
You have to have a clean car, man.
I know.
I was telling Jason, the streets know. I got a clean car always.
If you're familiar with Southern California, you've seen this thing at many a car show. Sunday Steel. What's the one down in San Clemente called? Like, what's that?
Cars and Coffee.
Cars and Coffee.
South OC
Cars and Coffee. So, yeah, you guys will be seeing more of this too on the channel for sure, because we're gonna get into some shenanigans and whatnot. But yeah, let's waste no more time. Get on the road. Have a really cool little Insta360 that I just picked up that I want him to wear when he's driving this, because if you buy the GPS module, it's like $80. You can have like video game HUDs, and it looks like you're in like a real life video game. And
it looks freaking awesome.
The way this guy drives, it will be a real life video game.
Only
so
in Mexico.
Yeah, okay. That's what everyone says. All right, stay tuned, guys. Alright, so we got Kashi rocking the Insta360 Go 3S for a POV, and we're using this GPS module. Come on, focus, bitch. We're using this GPS module to give us some video game-like HUD displays. So stay tuned for that.
What you looking for? Your phone?
Yeah.
Oh. Probably going back into the bag.
Tight spaces.
Yeah, tight spaces.
Big guy in little coat.
Big guy in a little coat.
Saturday, all the cars are out and about today and tomorrow. Look at this beautiful championship white roll cage to match the rims.
Super can't do that.
Need some tools?
Yeah.
Here we go. Driveway looks low enough.
We're still going up.
There's the silver one. R32. Shop's dope.
You doing everything through Washington still? Mark, you got a guy you trust with arrow work?
Arrow work?
Yeah, not arrow work.
Sick. Big fan of this MRS on Instagram. Finally seeing it in person.
Hey, Mark.
Way quieter than all the S15s we listened to. I didn't even know. I didn't even know it was on, bro.
Yeah,
it's quiet. So this was a GT-ST that was converted to almost like a GTR. This thing's pretty dope. love the lines on the R32s though compared to the 3s. Just has the classic lines that I love so much. Big ass intercooler. She's pretty for sure. All right, so we just pulled up to Shogun Motorsports and we're gonna be taking a look at one of their R32s. Now, they're a great importer out here in Southern California, relatively new to the game, but they have been super helpful answering all my questions. So they're gonna be getting some S15s in kind of soon, but right now they have this guy for sale. They're asking $31,000 for it. We have, I think it's a, 1990 R32. It's pretty cool, super clean interior. Is this a 5-speed or a 6-speed?
5-speed.
5-speed? They're way smaller than I thought inside. Bro, my head's like, this is crazy though. I like that it's actually quiet. You know, like, it's a little more stealthy and like sleeper-like.
Yeah, it was a little too loud earlier, bro.
Yeah.
Like, way too much droning. Way too much.
So how long have you had this in your possession?
We've had it for about 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah. Filter plays. You know, just having a little bit of quality of life stuff. Like,
Yeah.
I'm more of a guy that's like, I just want to drive a comfortable car, right?
That's kind of me, bro. I'm not trying to have like 500 horsepower. I want it to be quick and pull when I want it to, but I'm not trying to like wreck it at the same time, you know?
Yeah.
Like I want to just drive it and enjoy it.
Although I am getting to that point where I do want to push more power.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure over time it comes.
Yeah, but once you take the silencer off, bro, like every time like it burbles, like you really hear the bangs.
Yeah. This thing's cool. This thing's cool. All right, so we just wrapped up over at Shogun Motorsports / Dream Motorsports or something like that. And so far, I'm thinking that we're gonna go with them to source the car. I'm kind of over, and I'm sure Kashi's over looking at these stateside cars. So what, we're just gonna see what we could find in Japan and have brought over here soon?
I think it's the most cost-effective way, and you get a little bit more of what you want instead of taking over someone else's project, which we don't know that much. At least with these guys, there's a full inspection, and you kind of get to customize your own way, you know, as you go through it.
So the cool thing is, they'll find a car, and being that the yen is so cheap right now, if there's any parts I want on the car, they can source them and bring them over already installed. Even paint jobs I can get, like, so we're gonna, over the next couple weeks, see what it is that they can find. I'm gonna send a deposit that goes to the Japanese team, and then what they're gonna essentially do is just start finding at dealerships, not auctions, the best bang for the buck. And then if there's some money left over, and say I want a front mount intercooler because this one doesn't have one, or I want a certain size, you know, aero package spoiler, seats, whatever I want, I can have brought over at the same time and save a bunch of money, which is pretty cool. We'll have to wait maybe another 2 months, maybe. We'll see. We'll see how fast this can happen. I think they said right now it's like 6 to 9 weeks possibly for waiting, so we'll just have to see.
Sorry.
It never gets old though. It never gets old with this guy. Ever. Ever. All right, so we just pulled up to Kashi's crib. Got the 4Runner today. She's dirty. This one's mine. You'll see his in a second. But here's one of his VR6 old school GTIs. We have his GT3.
Nothing. He's a car guy. That's what happened.
This is his 4Runner right here. I love this thing. Fully built out. This thing's sick. And then you guys know the beloved RS6 wagon. His Lexus, his wifey has. Just gotta show you guys the rides, He just had a brand new motor put in this thing. Man, this thing's so clean, so clean. I love my 4Runner, but the black just hits different. Look at the teal accents. He's got the Davidson springs right there. He's got the teal right there. He's got the teal brake calipers. He's got the teal little accents right here. It's built proper. I love the pod positions too. All right, so we just got back to Kashi's crib. That wraps up today's video. Stay tuned for you guys to come with me along the process of finding the right JDM car, seeing which S15 options we essentially get, what our importer is going to show us, just a whole bunch of different things that are going to be coming to the channel really soon. I want to bring you guys along for the ride, the highs, the lows, how stressful this shit's been with like us just trying to find a car. And I just, once again, if it wasn't for this guy right here and BJ, I'd be lost without you guys.
No, man, you ain't gotta say nothing about that. We
Seriously.
got you. Family is family.
You don't turn your back on family.
Stay tuned, guys, for the next one. Peace.